Jesus challenges us to examine ourselves carefully. He leads us to the mirror once again for a sincere self-appraisal. Evelyn saying warns that people who live in a glass houses shouldn't throw stones. The fact is we all live in glass houses. They vary in thickness, but they are all glass nevertheless. The stones can quickly come flying our way when we encounter our many inevitable mistakes, screw-ups, and failures. Jesus said, "Let anyone among you who is without sin be the first to throw a stone." The passage goes on to say, when they heard it, they went away one by one. Probably one of the most difficult but kindest things we can do for ourselves and the world is to conduct such a penetrating self-examination regularly, especially when we are tempted to condemn someone else. From the book, The Leadership Wisdom of Jesus, Practical Lessons for Today by Charles Simmons.